In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make informed purchase decisions on DHgate, a popular online marketplace where you can find a wide array of products. Whether you're searching for fashion items, electronics, or unique gadgets, DHgate is known for its diverse selection and competitive prices. Let's dive into how you can enhance your shopping experience by utilizing reviews to make smarter choices. First things first, open your web browser and head over to DHgate's website. You can easily do this by typing DHgate in your search bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a broad selection of product categories and a search bar, which makes finding specific items a breeze. Maybe you have a particular product in mind or you're just window shopping. Either way, navigating through DHgate is designed to be as intuitive as possible. Once you've selected a product that catches your interest, click on it to get more detailed information. This is where you can see the product's specifications, pricing, seller's information, and other potential offers. This page is crucial in helping you understand exactly what you're considering buying, from size selections to shipping details. Take your time to go through this information to ensure the product meets your expectations. A particularly useful step in your decision-making process is to check the product reviews. Scroll down the product page to the review section, which is often one of the richest sources of insights. If you're interested in seeing what previous buyers have to say about the product, simply click on See All Reviews. This section will show you an array of user opinions, ratings, and sometimes even photos of the product taken by actual customers. Reviews are incredibly valuable as they offer real-world feedback that you simply can't get from the product description alone. Look for recurring positive comments, which might suggest a reliable product. On the other hand, if there are consistent concerns mentioned by past buyers, such as quality issues or discrepancies between the product depicted and what was received, it's something you might want to consider seriously before making your purchase. By following this simple yet effective strategy, you harness the collective experiences of other buyers to guide your purchase. Shopping online, especially on global platforms like DHgate, can sometimes feel overwhelming due to the sheer number of options. However, using reviews as a tool helps demystify your choices and brings greater confidence to your shopping. And that's the process of using DHgate effectively by leveraging product reviews to make informed decisions. I hope you find this guide helpful on your next shopping adventure. Thank you for tuning in and happy shopping.